Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are gonna check a repository which is gonna be helpful for detecting the rotated text. This is actually a corner case model, but it's helpful in some cases. What I mean is, for example, some texts are not straight like this; they are circularized, and also some kind of so. Detecting those texts is not such easy. Actually, 7 or 8 years ago, there is an article which is in here. So this repository is the corresponding code and the model which is based on that article. So I just wanted to show you. This is quite old. I accept it, but about text recognition, if your target texts are rotated, in those cases, this repository is gonna be helpful. So yeah. And I'm just gonna show the usage, and we may try a couple of examples. Yeah, that's the target of this video. And the usage is quite easy. All you need to do is just clone this repository and also get the pre-trained models, which is in these links. Just get one of those, and also of course you can also train your own model. This is CNN based model. After you also just run this pip install requirement txt, which is gonna be installing all the required packages, and that's all. So what I have done is maybe just I already get that repository. Also I downloaded these two zipped file of the model PyTorch models, and I extracted them into the here, which is in the demo.py is requiring this bed. And what I else did differently, I just added two images into this images folder by creating, which is this Starbucks and the Costa Coffee, which are having the rotated text. So, and that's all. Now we can open a terminal in here. I already also did the installation requirement text. I already installed all the necessity packages, necessity installations. And now also the command I want to try is maybe in another terminal, so I don't want to code again. Also made a couple of try before, but I want to show you here. This is the command, which is just giving checkpoint epoch, which is it can also stay as default maybe also 180. And the image root is just the images which you want to run, and number of workers. Because I got an error, I just added this parameter, otherwise it was not working fine in my machine. And that's all. I was just running this one, and this is basically is gonna give an error, so I reverted it. So I wanted to show you also, since this is inside the this cause of this Python script, because since this is quite old repository, in here we need to change, because it was using the old numpy installation. So all you need to do is just removing that np dot extension, and here we can close. Now it's gonna run correctly, and it's already extracted, and the result is, as you can see here, it says the result inside the wiz folder and another folder, which is this one. So these are the result. Basically you see all the texts are surrounded. You may say it is not recognizing the letters, but at least it's detecting the text correctly, which is also very good, which is helpful. Similarly, this Starbucks, these are also I directly just get from internet, these images. And another thing this gives as output, which is also you can get from this demo.py. I didn't modify here. It also gives two different output respectively to two images. Here you can use this x and y coordinates. This is going x, y, x, y. This is the polygon of that surrounded text around. You can also use this information. This This is a corner model. I can say corner case model, but in some cases this is needed for rotated text. Even a very advanced text recognition models like PaddleOCR or EasyOCR or Tesseract, for rotated text they are not really good. So you can basically just detect them. After that you can rotate and you can read with different models what letters inside those detected polygons. Yeah. Basically in this video I just wanted to mention about this repository, old but still working fine. Yeah. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.